Hello guys, today we're gonna be creating the friend ball, and this is my recording number 10, I guess. For such a simple tutorial, it's just a lot of things went wrong. But anyways, so this is how it looks like. It contains like this kind of sun and then some petals on the side, or something like that. It's kind of like red tears or something. But anyways, let's try to recreate it. Awesome. Select your Pokeball, then go into your UV editing, zoom in, then press the materials, select the top. Alright, excellent. Now go into your UV, unwrap, select your islands and select your island, your islands tool or selection. Then press R and then 90 to rotate, S to scale, then G to move to center it a bit. Awesome. Now go into your UVs and export UV layout. Let's double the size. ×2. Awesome. Export UV. Awesome. Then go into the folder where you saved it. Alright. Right click and open it with your specific software. I'm gonna be using Affinity Designer in this case. Alright, let's zoom in. Okay, first of all, let's create the sphere. Try to align it to the center and make it about that size. I think that's good. Let's move it up a bit. Awesome. Then after that, we have like kind of this tier tool where we're gonna create it. Rotate it all the way around. Press V to go into your selection. Then let's increase the size. I'm pressing Control V, Control Shift and drag to maintain the proportions and scale from the center. Alright, I think that this is definitely a good size. Then go into this anchor tool. I believe that's the name, origin. And then let's drag it down about here. And let's move it here. Alright, I think this is a good section. Now click away, then click again and press Ctrl J to duplicate. And let's move it to the other side. About there. Looking good. Now click again and press Ctrl J to duplicate. Let's take it to the center once again. And let's move our anchor point to our urgent point. Did it disappear? Kind of disappear. Okay. Let's move it down a bit. And let's decrease the size as well. Just a tiny bit. Actually, we're gonna even move it even further down. See how that looks. Awesome. This is exactly kind of what we wanted. Alright, click away, then click on again and press Ctrl J. looks good. Awesome. Now, in this case, we have to make our background dark. So let's make a box, or black in this sense, and then move it beneath your layers. Select all your layers above and make sure they are white. Hide your circle and then shift control and save. And now we need to export the little sun or ball by itself. Gonna go here and then go to export. Yes, and I'm just gonna say number 2. Save. Awesome. Now that we have them saved, go into your shading and make sure you're in the top material. Press Ctrl T. Let's enable our key shortcuts. All right, and let's move this up. Okay, select your UV, duplicate, add it to the mapping, select the other layer, perfect. Then move this to the side. Add a mixed RGB, we're gonna use it now, and also add a convert color ramp for the black. Select a dark gray and let's reduce the saturation, light green, sorry about that. All right, that looks good. And then for a red, about there, looks good. Let's connect it with our mix. Shift A, and let's create an invert. Okay, Shift D to duplicate. What am I doing wrong? So we have that there, and then for this one, should be here. Oh, I see what is happening. I see that we didn't correctly select our UV number 2. I apologize for that. And sorry, kind of froze and I was like, what is happening? Perfect. So these things happen, and I don't think I'm gonna record this video again. So there you have it. That's pretty much it for the tutorial. I'm gonna quickly separate with a bump kind of the texture underneath, and by doing that I'm just gonna do Shift D to duplicate our mixed RGB. Let's connect it to our mask and do a lighten. All right, then Shift A, and let's do vector bump. Let's connect it to the height, and then the height to the normal. Okay, that's gonna be too much, so let's reduce the strength by 0.5 or half. Awesome. There you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it, and hopefully I'm recording this. Yes. I hope you liked it. Thank you for your patience, and please like and subscribe and comment. All right, have a good one. Bye.